Mabuhay and welcome to Centro de Turismo Intramuros. On behalf of the Intramuros Administration, we warmly welcome you to this meaningful gathering as we join the nation in celebrating the National Arts Month, a time dedicated to honoring creativity, heritage, and cultural expression that defines us, Filipinos. Art is a reflection of our collective identity, and this is clearly embodied within our walled city, where history, culture, and artistry meet. Within these walls are centuries of stories told through architecture, visual arts, music, literature, and living traditions. Intramuros stands not only as a historical district, but as a living cultural landscape, one that continues to inspire artistic expressions and cultural dialogue. This occasion is made even more significant by the ceremonial signing of the Memorandum of Agreement between the Intramuros Administration and the National Commission for Culture and the Arts. This partnership marks a shared commitment of both institutions to formally collaborate in promoting and integrating